puppy? Is it your birthday? Is it your birthday? Is it your birthday? It's your birthday? You want to see what I got you? Want to see what I got you? This Christmas lamb. Wait. He already ripped up this other guy. Look at, tore his head open. Want to see what else I got you? Is it your birthday? Your birthday? Hey, you must tease. Hey, come here. See what else I got you? Want to see what else I got you? I got you a treat. I got you a treat. Ready? Oh, these treats smell. A salmon treat? You want a salmon treat? Good girl. Happy birthday! Want to see what else I got you? A new necklace. A new necklace for Christmas. And a stocking for Christmas. And some... Get your dreadlocks out. And that's it.